Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1148, and today's topic is in continuation of artificial intelligence applications, uh, that is their technologies and how today it is becoming more and more smart. So today's topic is already on those applications of AI which are more advanced, which are more smart and more effective because of the use of artificial intelligence data and algorithm. So all these applications, some of the very young students may not be knowing or may not be using. The reason is that here in northern part of Nigeria, in Maiduguri University, I am delivering the lectures to 400, 500 students, and I am giving all the references of all these different type of AI tools, their technologies, their applications. And very few, they used to show any interest. Then I asked the question, why? What is the reason? They gave two main reasons. They said, sir, your all these lectures are on YouTube and it is costly, we cannot afford to download. Sometimes it may cost 50 naira, 100 naira for 10, 20 minutes. And secondly, majority of the students, they don't have a smartphone or Android. So it is really, I wish that in future, this great country Nigeria should provide all these smart gadgets of today where they can use all the artificial intelligence technologies. Also, their universities should be under electronic cloud using Wi-Fi in the universities so that they can learn. And let me tell you very clearly, very frankly, and take it gently in Nigeria. Any country, any race, any community, once it is not existing in space, once they are not linked to YouTube, electronic cloud, satellite, they are not existing. That's all. You have to exist in space if you want to exist on Earth. And that is all different tools of artificial intelligence which are connected and uploaded by internet connectivity with lot of new data, with smart version. That's why I am mentioning here that all these applications, what I am going to just mention, they are all in use since last 10, 12 years. But what output we were getting some 10 years before, that was in 13 or 14, today in 22, 23, coming to 24, they are quite different. They are very smart, they are very fast, they are more educative. They have lot of language, lot of problem solving capacity. And those some new applications and technologies day by day are introduced in the market. So these are all very, very important technologies of today. And we cannot escape. We cannot run away. That's why I'm putting lot of emphasis so that let this information is, most of us are on highway of information with very high speed, with finger touch. So we should learn. And this is what teacher means. I am teaching, just I am giving the hint, I am giving the clue. And rest you sit with your smartphone or with your laptop or with your tabletop and practice on keyboard, all these applications. And here also let me mention, today India is investing huge amount of money, bulk of money in AI technologies, artificial intelligence technologies, and India is aiming to become artificial intelligence superpower. That is called AI superpower. AI superpower within 10-15 years time, maybe by 2030 or 2040. So now in the world, and other type of superpowers are there, not only economic, not only with this firearms. You have to be superpower in knowledge, in artificial intelligence application, in new technologies. And being Indian, I am fully confident that definitely within 10-20 years time, India will be superpower of artificial intelligence, AI. There is competition in two countries at the moment. Forget about Western countries. That is Europe and America and all those places. Two countries are on top in software, hardware, and in artificial intelligence technologies. One is China, other one is India. There is serious competition. And India is working hard to become superpower in artificial intelligence. And let me, before going to my topics, I did my all degree, undergraduate, postgraduate, master's, PhD from Aligarh Muslim University, India. I am proud to be. That is more than 100-year-old university. Yesterday news came. I am going to show that news, that Aligarh Muslim University, India is going to launch its nano satellite in the space. At moment, countries, they are launching their satellites. And I can say many countries, they don't have that technology to go to space, in space and come back safely. To go and come back. Of course, India, China, France, Russia, America, very few countries are there who are existing in space. And your Chandrayaan moon mission, in that mission from Aligarh Muslim University, there were some good scientists who worked there. And the same scientists, as an old student of the university, they offered to launch Aligarh Muslim University satellite station. And immediately government gave the permission, funding. And here one thing more I want to clear it. Here in Nigeria, perception and impression is created that federal government cannot fund all the public universities. They have to. In India, all the federal universities, central universities, they are all funded by federal government, central government, we call them central government. All public universities, there are more than 1,000 universities, out of which there are more than 100 universities, they are known as central universities. In Nigeria, we call them federal universities. Forget about private universities. All the public universities are 100% funded by federal government. Let me give you the example of America. People are saying in America, all our private universities, all industries are funding. No, it's wrong impression. I have the link. I am talking with my colleagues who are there, like MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology, that is in Boston City. Another Harvard is also Boston City. Go and inquire. I inquired from the staff members that what is the position of your funding? Is it that industries are funding? One of my, we can say, colleague who knows me, he started smiling. He said, no, it's not like that. All the pure research, all the teaching and everything is all funded by government. And the funding of MIT today is 23 billion US dollar. Most of the universities, whether it is Harvard, whether it is MIT, whether it is New York State University or Cardinal University, their funding is ranging from 24 to 40 billion dollar. And then I asked him question, how much your lab is getting? He said, it's 1.4 billion dollar. If I convert in naira, it will be trillion. Then I asked, how much you are getting from industries? He said, no, nothing. It's all funded by government. Only thing is that where the industries, they have their own business interest, then they will invite and they will give thee some project that please do this type of research work and I will be giving you this much. Otherwise, in pure science, in pure research, real research, industries, they are not coming and they are not funding that 80-90%. It's all funded by American government. They can find out. So what I mean to say, for all public universities, government funded universities, if they are not properly funded, universities cannot thrive, cannot survive. And let me show you that Aligarh Muslim University, that satellite the news, and watch it and then I will explain.
कंप्रेशन तकनीक लागू करना शामिल है। इस सैटेलाइट को इसरो में काम कर रहे एएमयू के एलुमनी और देशों के एक्सपर्ट सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। अगले 6 मंथ में इसे लॉन्च कर दिया जाएगा। सपोर्ट के लिए हमें फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। एएमयू यानी अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी अपना खुद का सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करने जा रही है। सैटेलाइट को इंडियन नेशनल स्पेस प्रमोशन एंड ऑथराइजेशन सेंटर की तरफ से मंजूरी मिल गई है। एएमयू ने इस पहले सैटेलाइट का नाम एएमयू के फाउंडर सर सैयद अहमद खान के नाम पे रखा है, जिसका नाम है SS AMU सैट। ये एक नैनो सैटेलाइट प्रोजेक्ट है जिसकी शुरुआत एएमयू के रोबो क्लब ने ईयर 2021 में शुरुआत की थी। सैटेलाइट एक 3U क्यूब सैट है। इसके कई मिशन हैं जिसमें सैटेलाइट इमेजरी का यूज कर इंडिया के सबसे गरीब जिलों में आर्थिक विकास का स्टडी करेगा और तेजी से मल्टीमीडिया ट्रांसमिशन के लिए इन हाउस विकसित इमेज कंप्रेशन तकनीक लागू करना शामिल है। इस सैटेलाइट को इसरो में काम कर रहे एएमयू के एलुमनी और देशों के एक्सपर्ट सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। अगले 6 मंथ में इसे लॉन्च कर दिया जाएगा। सपोर्ट के लिए हमें फॉलो और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। एएमयू यानी अलीगढ़ मुस्लिम यूनिवर्सिटी अपना खुद का सैटेलाइट लॉन्च करने जा रही है। सैटेलाइट को इंडियन नेशनल स्पेस।
So this news came yesterday in India, that is in Indian language, and let me explain in English. The news media is saying that the Aligarh Muslim University is going to launch a satellite in the name of the founder of Aligarh Muslim University. His name was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. So SSA Khan SAT. This is the name of nano satellite, and this satellite is going to bring lot of revolution in education sector, in technology sector, and also that satellite will give all the remote sensing and images of remote villages, masses who are suffering and how to reach them. That is the main objective of that Aligarh Muslim University's satellite in space. And now Aligarh Muslim University is going to exist in space. So at least in Nigeria, we should try, we should get the help from the advanced countries like India in artificial intelligence and space technology to come and help. And unless education, technology, artificial intelligence is reaching to masses who are in bushes and remote area, we can't do anything. We cannot say that we are developed. Few people in cities. Nigeria is not Abuja and Lagos or Kano. Real Nigeria is in Kanduga, Bama, Gwaza, and all remote area where 70% Nigerians are living. And unless their standard of living, their knowledge, their skill and technology is improved, no, there will be nothing. And with that satellite, they are going to help to millions of the poorest of the poor in villages. They will locate, they will find out with the help of all the images by the satellite. So that is what about Aligarh Muslim University Nano satellite, and they are aiming there. They are already working since 2021, and within 6 months it will be in space. Once it will be successfully launched, if I am alive, I will tell. Now I have given all these applications backed by artificial intelligence technologies and their improvement today. Most of you may be knowing the first one, that is called Amazon Echo, and Amazon Echo introduced that was known as Amazon Alexa, and now everybody knows Alexa. So when Alexa was introduced in 2014-16, it was not that much smart, Alexa, but now Alexa is very, very smart. It is doing all the work, virtual secretary, and it is helping in writing, receiving, sending email, advising, problem solving. All activities are done by that is Amazon Alexa, commonly known as Alexa. Then again, Amazon.com. Amazon.com is online activities of Amazon. And I told you that today, Amazon is superpower on online. Lot of earning is there for Amazon on online transactions. Billions are transactions are done, and it's all Amazon is earning from online. That is called Amazon.com. Google Map. I remember Google Map, we started using some 7-8 years ago, and that Google Map became more and more smarter because of the use of lot of data pumping and algorithm. Data and algorithm, AI data and algorithm, they are now working side by side and becoming more and more smart day by day. So now it is advising you, once you are going to start your car from your house, it will advise your route. Don't go via a custom site because there is construction and lot of problem is there. Follow Lagos Bridge because Lagos Bridge is clear. And again, it will advise. If suppose you have given that you are going to airport, it will give the shortest route and where the accident is not there, any type of problem is not there, traffic jam is not there, and then you will follow accordingly. So now it became more and more smarter today. Then the other one is that is ride sharing apps like Uber. Ride sharing apps means once you are going to share any ride, all the timing and the route and the expenses all will be correctly determined by this application, ride application, and every kobo, every rupees will be counted. Then number 5, virtual chef. Now in many smart houses, people are having virtual chef, and the very powerful virtual chef name is Chef Watsons. Chef Watsons are available as a virtual chef, and that your virtual chef Watson will be side by you in your kitchen. So if you want to prepare, for example, jollof rice or stew, it will give lot of options. Which type of jollof rice? Indian, Spanish, Arabian or European? At least it will give dozens of ingredients, different taste and advice. And then if you tell that my taste is spicy, hot, then it will suggest that go to Spanish or go to Mexican type of stew or biryani or any type of juicy gravy meat preparation. So Western chefs are becoming very, very popular nowadays. They are side by side in the kitchen and they are taking care of everything because of data. This chef, that is Chef Western, is having billions of data of all 200 countries and their type of taste, type of food, type of cooking, type of cake and sweet, all preparations are there with Western. That is Chef Western. Number 6, spam filter. You will get lot of useless emails, hundreds every day. So now spam filter AI backed with algorithm is there and it will clear 99% all useless emails and spams and you are not disturbed. You are okay. That is called spam filters. Then smart reply. Now your assistant, virtual assistant, is handling your email and it will understand the language, what type of language somebody is using, and that your virtual assistant, maybe Alexa, will reply very smartly. And if suppose some director or some educated or some technological query is coming, question is coming, and accordingly that your email reply will go. It will be taken care of all the language and all the content. That is called your smart reply. And now Google, in that Google Gmail is very smart now in using this artificial intelligence. New technology is very smart with pumping a lot of data and algorithm. So here I am giving note one by one. The number 1 is, that is called eco. Eco, the word that is for Amazon, that is called Amazon Eco Plus. The word eco means it is for sound, and that sound will bounce back once it is hitting any wall, and that will come back and it will be in the original form. And the best example, even in our childhood we used to do, we will go to deep well and we will make some sound and the same sound will reflect back. And even we will go to some cave. In that cave, in some cities in India, very long caves, and we will go and say our name, or we can shout, and the same frequency, same original sound will be reflected back, bounced back to us. That is called echo. And that, I can say scientific knowledge was used here to create lot of new technologies with artificial intelligence. That is called eco, Amazon. So eco was launched by Amazon in the year 2016, which is a revolutionary product by Amazon, and that can help you to search the web for information, and schedule appointments, shopping, control lights, switches, thermostats, answers questions, reading audio, audiobooks, that is also reading, report traffic jam or traffic congestion, the situation of the traffic on the road, and weather condition, that what will be the condition of weather today or tomorrow. All these functions are taken care by, that is called Amazon Eco Plus, sport and other counting. Next one is Amazon Alexa. Amazon Alexa In the beginning it was known like that, but now it is called Alexa. It is simply known as Alexa. It's virtual AI based technology on polished speech bought by Amazon in the year 2013. It was first used in the Amazon Echo, that is smart as a smart speaker, and the Echo Dot, Echo Studio, and Amazon Tab. These are all different type of tools and applications used with this Amazon Alexa. We know the speed of sound is 343 miles per second. Direction of the sound changes after it bounces off a surface. Once it will bounce, it will hit to a surface, it will come back. That is called echo surface. But it is very interesting to know that the echo is the same as original sound. Echoes are heard through the tough walls of wells, caves, and auditorium. So here with this I will stop, and I am going to continue one by one and give you the very simple explanation for young students, children, so that they can learn by practice, they can improve their skill. And remember, without the knowledge of different tools, technologies of artificial intelligence, today in this modern world, in digital age, you are incomplete. Your learning, education skill is incomplete. You will be incompetent without the knowledge of all these tools of artificial intelligence. Wish you all the best. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.